In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unzip files in Google Drive with a quick, straightforward tutorial. If you've ever found yourself puzzled by how to handle zipped files stored in Google Drive, you're definitely not alone. Today we're going to break it down effortlessly, step by step. First things first, head over to your Google Drive homepage. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into your web browser's address bar or simply clicking on this link if you have it bookmarked. Once you are on your Google Drive, you'll see all your files neatly organized. Now scan through your list of files or use the search bar to find the zip file you need to extract. Click on it to select it so it's highlighted and ready for the next step. Now with your zip file boldly chosen, look towards the top of the screen and you'll notice the Open With option. Give this a click. You might see several application options depending on your installed apps, but for this task we're interested in Zip Extractor. If it doesn't pop up straight away, you might need to click on Connect More Apps to locate it. After selecting Zip Extractor, you'll be prompted to authorize it the first time you're using it. This step is vital as it gives Zip Extractor permission to access your Google Drive files to do its magic. Click on Authorize Zip Extractor, follow the on-screen authentication steps and choose your Google account. Remember, allowing these permissions is safe and essential for a seamless extraction process. Once authorized, you're navigated back to Zip Extractor. Here you'll see the option to open your zip file from Google Drive, so go ahead and click on that. Your zip file should automatically appear, ready for action. The next step involves selecting the zip file again. Even though it appears as already chosen, make sure to click on it once more to confirm. After it's selected, you may need to click on Select to proceed. This might seem repetitive, but it's just another step to ensure you're extracting the right file. Now comes the exciting part, the extraction process itself. Look for the Extractor Drive option and click on it. Zip Extractor will begin to unpack your files into a new folder within your Google Drive. Be patient as this could take a few moments depending on the size of your zipped content. And there you have it, you've successfully unzipped your file and all its contents are now accessible on your Google Drive. You can navigate back to your Drive homepage to see the newly created folder with all the extracted items neatly stored for you. Thank you for tuning into this quick tutorial on unzipping files in Google Drive. Whether you're organizing digital assets, collaborating remotely, or just transferring files, this skill is bound to streamline your workflow. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tech tips. See you at the next tutorial.